Of the topic. NPCI International partners with Magnanity to expand UPI acceptance in UAE. 1. About NIPL and NPCI. NPCI International Payments Limited (L) is the global arm of the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI), responsible for promoting India's payment technologies like UPI and RuPay internationally. Unified Payments Interface (UPI) is a real-time payment system developed by NPCI that enables instant money transfers between bank accounts using mobile phones. 2. Partnership details. NIPL partnered with Magnati, a top payment solutions provider in the Middle East, to implement QR code-based UPI payments at Magnati's point-of-sale POS terminals in the UAE. This partnership will benefit over 12 million Indians traveling to the UAE annually, allowing them to use UPI for seamless payments without currency exchange hassles. 3. Implementation phases. Initially, UPI payments will be accepted at Dubai Duty Free, a popular shopping destination for tourists. Later, the network will expand to other sectors like retail, hospitality, transport, and supermarkets in the UAE. 4. Global presence of UPI. UPI payments are now accepted in 7 countries, including Bhutan, Mauritius, Nepal, Singapore, Sri Lanka, France, and the UAE. Technical terms explained. 1. QR code-based payments. A QR code, quick response code, is a scannable image that contains payment details. When scanned using a mobile app, it enables quick and secure transactions without entering any information manually. 2. Point-of-sale POS terminal. A POS terminal is a device used by merchants to accept payments through credit debit cards or digital methods like UPI. 3. Unified Payments Interface, a digital payment platform in India that allows instant money transfers using virtual payment addresses, VPAs, or QR codes. Examples include apps like Google Pay, PhonePe, and Paytm. Possible exam questions. 1. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. 1. Which organization is the global arm of the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI? A. UPI Global, B. NPCI International Payments Limited, C. Bharat Pay, Digital India Payments, B. NPCI International Payments Limited, PL. 2. With which Middle Eastern payment solutions provider did NIPL partner to expand UPI in the UAE? A. Findable Magnati, C. Paytabs, D. EmarPay. Magnati. In which sectors will UPI payments be expanded in the UAE after implementation at Dubai Duty Free? Hospitality, transport, supermarkets, and retail. B. Banking and insurance. C. Healthcare and education. D. Agriculture and manufacturing. Answer A. Hospitality, transport, supermarkets, and retail. 4. UPI payments are currently accepted in how many countries, including the UAE? A5, B, 6, 7, 8. C. Descriptive question. Explain the significance of NIPL's partnership with Magnati in promoting UPI payments in the UAE. The partnership aims to enhance the digital payment experience for over 12 million Indian tourists visiting the UAE annually by enabling QR code-based UPI payments at Magnati's POS terminals. Starting with Dubai Duty Free, the initiative will expand to sectors like retail, hospitality, and transport. This collaboration promotes seamless, secure, and cashless transactions abroad, boosting UPI's global presence in 7 countries. Explanation of the topic. CCI approved proposed acquisition of 34% shareholding of Ashoka Concessions by Ashoka Buildcon. 1. About the organizations. Ashoka Buildcon Limited (ABL), a company involved in engineering, procurement, and construction (EPC) projects in sectors like roads, highways, and infrastructure. Ashoka Concessions Limited (ACL), a subsidiary of the Ashoka Group, focused on infrastructure development. Competition Commission of India (CCI), a statutory body ensuring fair competition in Indian markets and regulating mergers or acquisitions to avoid monopolies. 2. Details of the acquisition. Ashoka Buildcon plans to acquire the remaining 34% shareholding of ACL, making it a wholly owned subsidiary since ABL already holds 66% shares in ACL. Viva Highways Limited (Viva), a subsidiary of ABL, will acquire 26% shareholding of Jawhara Nagan Toll Road Company Limited (JNTRCL), a build, operate, transfer (BOT) concessionaire for around 150 crores. 3. Projects under acquisition. Madhya Pradesh Road Development Corporation Limited MPRDC has assigned JNTRCL the responsibility to work on State Highway S831 in Madhya Pradesh, covering 125 to 250 kilometers for reconstruction, strengthening, widening, and rehabilitation. Technical terms explained. 1. Competition Commission of India, CCI. The CCI monitors mergers and acquisitions to prevent anti-competitive practices and promote fair trade. Example, if two large companies merge and could dominate the market, CCI reviews and either approves, modifies, or blocks the deal. 2. Engineering, Procurement, and Construction, EPC. A model where a company handles the end-to-end process of designing, procuring materials, and constructing infrastructure projects. Example, building a highway or bridge from scratch. 3. Build, Operate, Transfer. A public-private partnership model where a private company builds a project, like a toll road, operates it to recover costs, and transfers it back to the government after a set period. Example, a company builds and maintains a toll road for 20 years, collects tolls, and hands the road over to the state after the period ends. 4. Convertible instruments, financial tools that can be converted into equity shares after a specific period. Example, a company issues bonds that can be converted into shares when the business grows. Possible exam questions. 1. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. 1. What percentage of shares will Ashoka Buildcon Limited acquire to make Ashoka Concessions Limited a wholly owned subsidiary? A, 34%, B, 50%, C, 26%, D, 66%. Answer, 34% too. Which statutory body approved the proposed acquisition of shares by Ashoka Buildcon? A. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEB. B. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. C. Competition Commission of India, CCI. D. National Company Law Tribunal, NCLT. Answer, Competition Commission of India, CCI. 3. What is the estimated cost of Viva Highways Limited's acquisition of 26% shareholding in Jora Nagan Toll Road Company Limited? A. Rs 125 crore. B. Rs 100 crore. C. 150 crore. D. 200 crore. Answer is 150 crore. 4. Which highway in Madhya Pradesh is being reconstructed by JNTRCL by MPRDC? A. NH44, B. SH31, C. SH12, D. NH2031. 2. Descriptive question, explain the role of the Competition Commission of India, CCI, in approving mergers and acquisitions with reference to Ashoka Buildcon's acquisition of Ashoka Concessions Limited. Answer. The CCI ensures that mergers and acquisitions do not result in monopolistic practices that could harm consumers or fair competition. In the case of Ashoka Buildcon, the CCI approved the acquisition of 34% shares of Ashoka Concessions Limited after ensuring that it does not adversely impact competition in the infrastructure sector. This acquisition will streamline the ownership and management of ACL, allowing efficient execution of projects like SH31 in Madhya Pradesh.